Hi there, today's walk is in the Ku-ring-gai Chase National Park. The walk we're doing today is a relatively short one. It goes down to the Flint And Steel Beach and back. There's also a side track down to Flint And Steel Bay. We'll do that one as well. So let's go have a look, let's go for a walk and talk. The walk starts from the Flint And Steel Track car park, which is just off West Head Road and about 3 kilometres before you get to the West Head lookout. From the start of the walk, a long set of steps take us down towards the beach. Followed by even more steps that also give us a view of the casuarinas down the hill. We come to a big rock outcrop and some pretty dry old grass trees at its base. We come to where the track splits into two. Left will take us down to Flint And Steel Bay, but for now we'll continue on down the hill, down to the beach. Continue our walk down the hill, through a grove of cabbage palms. We get our first look at some water. That's the Hawkesbury River up ahead. Looking through the trees, we can see Line Island out there in the middle of Broken Bay. Here's another rock outcrop. Looks like it's got a bit of a rock overhang, or maybe even a small cave. Here's a nice view of the water as we are getting closer and closer to the beach. It's a nice little beach. Unfortunately, it's not really swimming with us today. As we come down the last few steps, we can look across the river and see Patonga, and to our right, there's the opening to Broken Bay. What a beautiful spot, an idyllic location to spend the day. Going off to the left, we continue along the rock platform. We probably could get all around to Flint And Steel Bay if the tide was right, and I don't think that's going to be the case today. Interesting rock. I'm just making my way back to the beach. Flint And Steel Beach isn't very wide. It's around 50 to 60 metres. As you can see, it's pretty secluded. There's really nobody else here except me today. This is a beach I'd like to come to more often, but unfortunately the climb back up to the top of the hill is a bit of a killer. I'm making my way back across the beach to the track and preparing myself for the steep climb ahead. It's time to start climbing those steps. Lots of steps on this walk. If you hate steps, give this walk a miss. Here's another rock formation, an excuse to stop and have a look and catch my breath before continuing up the hill. Coming down the hill was easy enough. Getting back up, now that's going to take a little bit more effort. Here's a nice flat section. Pretty soon we'll be on the Flint And Steel Bay track. The sign says Flint And Steel Bay is only 600 metres away. It shouldn't take too long. This track's a bit overgrown. I don't think it's been used all that much lately. This may not look very elegant, but it's my way of getting down this big rock. This is definitely not what I would call a well-worn track, that's for sure. I've decided to abandon the walk down to Flint And Steel Bay The track's become very rough and I've already had one fall and I really don't want to risk having another. It's too remote down here. Time to head back. I'd nearly forgotten I had to climb back up this big rock. Oh well, here goes. I made my way back to the track junction. Not far to go now, about 500 metres I think. A nice flat section, but I know what's up ahead, lots and lots of steps. I'll be glad when I climb the last of these steps. There's been too many steps for my liking today. Here's the last little climb back up to the car park. Overall, I would say today's walk was really good. The trip down the hill was nice and easy and the beach was great. The walk back up the hill was a little bit steep and the fall on Flint and Steel Bay track was something I could really have done without. I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like, subscribe, share and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.